In this video, we are going to see how we can create this floating effect easily in CapCut. So let's get started. So first of all, you can add any background image, whether static or moving like this. And then you can add your transparent elements. So I have downloaded the transparent images. I'll import it. And then you can drop these elements on your timeline, resize it, and add a couple of it according to your choice. So I have added 2 for now. Now I'll select any one element. I'll go to the animation and choose slide up. And then I'll go to the effects and go to the nightclub effect. And right here, play pendulum. So guys, this one is the most popular effect. You can use this. Now this drag and drop, and this will work like this. As you can see here, that the object has now a floating effect. Just make sure that you apply the effect on the object and not on the main timeline. Now, if you want to make some settings on this, just right click and edit effect, go to special effects, play pendulum, and you can reduce the strength, sharpness, and twist according to your requirements. You can also adjust the speed. So this looks fine now. Now what you can do is simply just copy all of these effects by copying the attributes, and let's apply it to the other object. Paste attributes, paste all, and now let's see. So now both of these has the same effect. So guys, this is how you can do the floating effect in CapCut.